In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a fender liner on your Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove all of these lug locks. Remove the center cap. Using a 22mm socket, remove all 8 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a pair of clip pliers, we're going to remove all of the plastic clips around the fender liner. Continuing around the fender liner, continue removing the clips. We're going to use a trim tool and pop out this Christmas tree clip. Remove the clip. We're going to push our plastic stays through the fender liner. Just use something hard to push on them and push them through the fender liner. We have one more clip right in the front of our fender liner. Go ahead and remove that. We're going to pull that front of the fender liner out, grab the back, and remove it from the vehicle. You're going to have a heat shield on the back. There should be 3 clips, ours only has 2. You're going to use that trim clip and remove those clips. And remove the heat shield. Install the heat shield to the back of the new fender liner, line it up, and get those clips installed. If you have one more right here, go ahead and install it now. Get your fender liner lined up on this top corner. We're going to get a clip through there, and this is going to hold it while we position it the rest of the way. Go around installing the rest of the clips. Reach up behind the fender liner and grab those Christmas tree pins and push them through the fender liner. There's one more right here. Our last clip is going to be a Christmas tree clip right here in the front corner. Install the wheel. Install all the lug nuts. Snug down all the lug nuts. Install the center cap. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.